Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 7, which is a reverse integer. In this problem we have given a number like 1 2 3, and we have to reverse this number like 3 to 1. If we have given a number like minus 4 5 6, and we have to find the output like minus 6 5 and 4, but there is a one interesting problem, like if the number number is outside the range of the 32-bit signed integer, then we must return 0. the range the range is uh, not declared, then we can't find the output. It will show the runtime error. To solve this problem, first of all we have to make a variable which is named river. This will return all the river elements equals to 0. Then we will run while loop while n doesn't equal to 0. Okay. Then after we will make another variable named digit, and digit equals to x modulus 10. Sorry, n modulus 10. Okay. This process will give us a last digit of a number. After that, we use if condition for solving for solve runtime error. River greater than int max divided by 10, or river less than the minimum range int min divided by 10, and after that return 0. This process will help us to solve the runtime error. Then after we'll move to the next process, which is reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus digit. This process will give us a digit 10 multiplied by 10 plus digit, means the reverse number step by step. After that, x equals x divided by 10. By using this process, we will remove the last digit of a number. At the end, we will return 0. Sorry, x n n. Okay. Let's run this code. Okay, so you can see here all the conditions are accepted, and submit. So there is a solution of LeetCode problem number 7. Thank you.